Hey guys, just a quick video to show you how to change out the battery in your Mercedes key fob. You simply want to release the emergency key, which is by pulling this little tab and pulling the key out. Simply take that key and push it back into the remote the wrong way around. When you do that, as you see, the black back door of the key will open, which will give you access to change the battery safely. This is the pin you are pushing with your emergency key, and that's the battery right there in the middle of your key. Time to remove the old battery, which we'll do by holding the key on the one hand and tapping it on the other a few times until the battery is out. Put the old battery on the side, and now it's time to install the new battery. In this video we'll be installing the Geniune Mercedes-Benz battery. Although you can use any CR 2025 battery, which I'll put in the description below. Now you can put the new battery in, and you can close the black back lid of the key and clip it back in place. Now that the key battery replacement is complete, you can now put the emergency key back to its location. And that's the Mercedes-Benz key battery replacement. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos.